With Mapme, you can add call to action buttons that link to your website, social media, blog, or any other page. Tracking these clicks shows how much traffic your map sends to your other platforms. Let's set up a report in Google Analytics to measure them. Go to the Explore tab in Google Analytics. Click the plus sign at the top to create a blank report. Choose the date range you want to analyze. Next, add the Mapme dimensions. Go to the Custom tab and select all the Mapme dimensions. Then click Confirm. Now add the metrics. Open the Event section, select Event Count, and click Confirm. To see where clicks happened, add the Mapme values dimension to the rows. Expand the list to 25 values. Add Event Count to the Values section to show how many clicks each action received. Finally, add a filter so we only see call to action clicks. Select Mapme Action. Set the condition to exactly matches. Type Section Details Call to Action. You'll now see location names where the clicked buttons are on the left and the number of call to action clicks on the right. That's it! You can now track how your map drives traffic to your other platforms. Check it out, and if you have questions, just reach out through the chat.